The linear thermal expansion of bricks up to 1000 C is very low, of the order of 0.5%. A. Fireclay. B. Silica. C. Magnesite. D. corundum. The correct answer is fireclay. Fusion point of an acidic refractory material is A. increased by the addition of basic oxides. B. reduced by the addition of basic oxides. C. not affected by the addition of basic oxides. D. always more than 2500 C. The correct answer is reduced by the addition of basic oxides. Which is required in an insulating refractory? A. high thermal conductivity. B. low porosity. C. both A and B. D. neither A nor B. The correct answer is neither A nor B. Super refractories are made from pure A. carbides. B. oxides. C. borides. D. nitrides. The correct answer is oxides. Chromite refractories are A. acidic refractory. B. neutral refractory. C. basic refractory. D. fired at a temperature of 600 C only. The correct answer is neutral refractory. Which is the most stable crystalline form of silica at room temperature? A. quartz. B. crystalline. C. tridymite. D. none of these. The correct answer is quartz. Silica refractories. A. crack when subjected to sudden change of temperature. B. cannot be used in the dome of hot blast stoves. C. have lower thermal conductivity than fireclay bricks. D. all A, B, and C. The correct answer is crack when subjected to sudden change of temperature. PCE value Zircon of superduty refractories is more than 33, which is equivalent to a temperature of C. A. 1520. B. 1630. C. 1670. D. 1730. The correct answer is 1730. Which of the following is not an acidic refractory? A. silica bricks. B. fireclay bricks. C. bauxite bricks. D. magnesia bricks. The correct answer is magnesia bricks. Insulating refractories should have A. high porosity. B. low thermal conductivity. C. both A and B. D. neither A nor B. The correct answer is low thermal conductivity. Cold crushing strength of refractories depends upon its A. composition. B. texture. C. firing temperature. D. all A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Tar-bonded dolomite bricks. A. are stored under controlled temperature humidity to avoid hydration. B. are used in outer lining of LD converters. C. have poorer hydration resistance than pitch-bonded bricks. D. all A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Electrical resistor bars are made of A. silicon carbide. B. alumina. C. zirconia. D. graphite. The correct answer is silicon carbide. Which is not an aluminosilicate refractory? A. fireclay bricks. B. malachite bricks. C. tar dolomite bricks. D. high alumina bricks. The correct answer is tar dolomite bricks. Periclase refractory contains mainly A. CaO. B. MgO. C. Al2O3. D. SiO2. The correct answer is MgO. Psi percentage in silica refractories used in the walls of coke oven is about A. 45. B. 60. C. 80. D. 95. The correct answer is 95. Silica bricks are attacked by basic slags at high temperature. Which of the following is not used solely as a binding material? A. Aluminium phosphate. B. Water. C. Lime. D. Plaster of Paris. The correct answer is water. High thermal conductivity of a refractory material is not important when it is to be used in the A. Coke oven regenerators. B. Muffle furnace. C. Blast furnace. D. Recuperators. The correct answer is blast furnace. Maximum safe working temperature for fireclay bricks is about C. A. 1150. B. 1300. C. 1450. D. 1550. The correct answer is 1550. Ferromagnetic ceramic material is not used in the A. Thermal insulation. B. Transformers. C. Magnetic switches. D. Television sets. The correct answer is thermal insulation. Maximum water percentage in refractory mix meant for hand molding may be as high as %. A. 2-3. B. 5-7. C. 7-12. D. 14-20. The correct answer is 14-20. Fireclay bricks are never used in the A. Beehive oven. B. Coke oven walls. C. Zinc roaster. D. Lead blast furnace. The correct answer is coke oven walls. With increasing alumina content, the fusion point of high alumina refractories A. increases. B. decreases. C. remains constant. D. may increase or decrease depends on its alumina content. The correct answer is increases. Chrome magnesite bricks are used in the A. side walls of soaking pits and arc furnaces. B. copper melting furnaces converters. C. burner block of glass tanks. D. all A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Machine molding of dry mixture of refractories requires a pressure of the order of kg/cm2. A. 10. B. 100. C. 500. D. 1000. The correct answer is 1000. Except all other refractories are bad conductors of electricity. I.E. have low electrical conductivity. A. fireclay. B. carborundum. C. graphite. D. chromite. The correct answer is graphite. Which refractory must have controlled atmosphere temperature and humidity for its safe storage? A. tar-bonded dolomite bricks. B. fireclay bricks. C. mullite bricks. D. magnesite bricks. The correct answer is tar-bonded dolomite bricks. Alumina graphite bricks are used for lining the A. slide gate in teaming laddies. B. continuous casting systems. C. both A and B. D. neither A nor B. The correct answer is both A and B. Spalling resistance of a refractory cannot be increased by A. increasing its porosity. B. using a coarser grog during its manufacture. C. decreasing its thermal coefficient of expansion. D. making it denser. The correct answer is making it denser. Fireclay refractories have A. low coefficient of thermal expansion. B. poor thermal spalling resistance. C. tendency to expand unduly high during firing. D. very high cost. The correct answer is low coefficient of thermal expansion. Periclase is A. crystalline form of MgO. B. MgCO3. C. ZrSO4. D. amorphous magnesite. The correct answer is crystalline form of MgO. Which of the following is not a neutral refractory? A. silicon carbide. B. magnesite. C. chromite. D. Graphite. The correct answer is magnesite. Which is a basic refractory? A. Fireclay. B. Silica. C. Chrome magnesite. D. None of these. The correct answer is chrome magnesite. Cold crushing strength of a refractory does not depend upon its A. Shape. B. Composition. C. Firing temperature. D. Texture. The correct answer is shape. Refractoriness under load RUL is the most important property for the refractory bricks. A. At the highest bottom of the furnace on which stock is placed. B. Used for furnace insulation. C. Used in the roof of the furnace. D. None of these. The correct answer is at the highest bottom of the furnace on which stock is placed. Which of the following consumes the maximum tonnage of refractories annually in an integrated steel plant? A. Soaking pits. B. Heating furnace. C. LD converter. D. Rotary lime kiln. The correct answer is LD converter. Nozzles are used in continuous casting of steel. A. Zircon. B. Thoria. C. Carborundum. D. Beryllia. The correct answer is zircon. Silicon carbide refractories have very low A. Refractoriness 1700 C. B. Thermal conductivity. C. Resistance to thermal shock. D. None of these. The correct answer is none of these. Basic bricks are not made of A. Fireclay. B. Magnesite. C. Foresterite. D. Chromite. The correct answer is fireclay. With increase in the alumina content in fire bricks, its fusion point refractoriness A. decreases linearly. B. remains unchanged. C. increases. D. decreases. The correct answer is increases. Cold crushing strength of ordinary fireclay brick is about 950 kg cm2. On exposure to a temperature of about 1500 C, its crushing strength may come down to as low as kg cm2. A. 450. B. 250. C. 150. D. 65. The correct answer is 65. Zirconia refractory. A. does not react with basic slags. B. is produced from badellite. C. cannot be used as an insulator. D. has poor electrical conductivity at high temperature. The correct answer is produced from badellite. Which one contains maximum percentage of Al2O3? A. fire brick. B. Sillimanite. C. magnesite. D. aluminous fire brick. The correct answer is Sillimanite. Which of the following does not occur during firing burning of refractories? A. removal of water of hydration. B. vitrification. C. decrease in crushing strength. D. development of stable mineral form. The correct answer is decrease in crushing strength. Silicon carbide refractories are used in the A. muffle furnace. B. zinc smelting furnace. C. ceramic recuperators. D. all A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. High density refractory bricks have lower A. spalling resistance. B. thermal conductivity. C. fusion point. D. slag penetration resistance. The correct answer is spalling resistance. Silliminite Al2O3.CO2 refractory, which is a neutral refractory, is not used in A. pottery furnace. B. glass melting furnace. C. crucibles. D. gas retorts. The correct answer is gas retorts. Zircon refractories have A. low coefficient of expansion. B. High RUL 1600 C and refractoriness 2000 C. C. High spalling resistance. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Cermets are a composite material containing both ceramic metallic constituents. B. Having high strength resistance to high temperature. C. Used in space vehicles, missiles, nuclear energy plants. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Carbon refractory blocks. A. Are wetted by molten iron. B. Are used in the hearth of blast furnace. C. Are acidic in nature. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is are used in the hearth of blast furnace.